Saludos, estudiantes. Welcome to another video lesson with me, Señor C. And before we get started, let's go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will know each time a video is added. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. So let's talk about telling the date, shall we? Well, we need to begin with the knowledge of the two main components in Spanish, numbers to 31 and the names of the months. So assuming you know the numbers and months, we can get started. But just in case you don't, check out my videos on those two topics. I will put the links in the description below. First, let's see how to ask about the date in Spanish before we tell the date. So if we want to ask the date, we can say, what is the date? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cuál es la fecha? ¿Cuál es la fecha? ¿Cuál es la fecha? What is the date? Now let's see how to answer this question. Take this very important date you see pictured. If I wanted to answer in a complete English sentence, I could say, it is February 14th. To say this in Spanish, you say, es el 14 de febrero. Now let's see how we got here. The most important part about telling the date in Spanish is to remember the basic formula or pattern that you must follow, which is el, number word, de, I like to call it de for this lesson, but it's pronounced de, and the month. Again, that's el, number word, de, and the month. Make it a rhythm. El, number word, de, and the month. Got it? Good. Moving on, we look at another date, October 15th. We have our pattern here. Now I'm going to show you a few ways to express this date, but without any changes to our basic formula. Remember, this is the most important, so it must remain consistent. First, let's just say October 15th. The Spanish, el 15 de octubre. Okay? You can express the date just by saying October 15th in Spanish, el 15 de octubre. Not a complete sentence. Totally fine. But let's look at another example. This time, we will make a complete sentence. It is October 15th. The Spanish, es el 15 de octubre. What changed? Only the beginning. The pattern remains the same. Let's see another one. Today is October 15th. Again, the beginning changed. In the Spanish, we see hoy es el 15 de octubre. The beginning changed, the pattern remains the same. Now there's one more important detail concerning the date in Spanish. When you want to express the first of any month, instead of using the number uno, which means one, you should use the ordinal number primero, which actually means first. Here it is. Tomorrow is January 1st. Mañana es el primero de enero. Tomorrow is January 1st. And that, my friends, is how you tell the date in Spanish. Now you can practice on your own. Take care. Hasta luego. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you, and enjoy the música.